Hi everyone, first of all, sorry for the pink background. Uh, got a couple of stuff I want to show you. I think you have seen this one, the brass. This one you have seen, because I had a few left. Made a Japanese style one. Actually, I have no clue what it's called or something, but I really don't know. For the neck knife, you have seen also chisel grind. I made one with a black Kydex sheet. Made one of those before. Excuse me for my hands. Just finished hand sanding this one. The firework. Still needs to get sharpened. Needs to get etched. But I really like the looks and the feel of this one. Now this one, the firework, I really like this one. I think I'm gonna call this one electric firework, because for some reason, don't know why, but it reminds me of electricity for some reason. Don't know why, but electric firework. Now, this was the crappy, well, no, inexpensive backlog knife I was thinking of redoing in the same colors as my own one, my own EDC one. Yellow liners between the stainless and the bone. Put some vine firework on it. It's turned out beautiful. The camera really don't do it justice. The back is almost a mirror polish. The inside is almost, well, this side almost a mirror polish. Bolsters and pommel. All the bolsters and the pommel. I haven't done too much on the blade. Just continue the firework, round off the clip point, round this off. Made it hair popping sharp. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this in the collection or donate. Not sure. It's really beautiful. Not only that, the steel for repairing my own slip joint, my custom slip joint I'm building, will probably arrive tomorrow. I ordered steel past week, no, 2 weeks ago, but I made a mistake and ordered the wrong steel. Oh, wrong. It's the same steel, but it's a different thickness. So yeah, it's gonna be some new knives. I'm gonna make it out of a little bit thicker material. Also got some in an L6. Got some YG10. I never worked with G10 before. And also I have ordered some new business cards that arrived last week. It's almost the same, but the custom ones, these ones, the laminated ones, I mean, takes too much time for my stepsister to make, so it really took a long time to make these. So now I've got this. The new business cards. What else? G10. Told you about. I got hundreds of these, so. The folder. I'm not sure if what I'm gonna do with it. Donate it, sell it, trade it, keep it. I have no clue. I want to keep this one, but on the other hand, on the other side, it's like, yeah, I have I have almost 200 folding knives, so I mean, I'm not gonna carry this one a lot, probably never. So yeah, I'm not sure. Beautiful file work. Let's see if I can find something as an background. Hold on. Let's see. You can see it. Maybe if I put out the light, if I can find the light. Let's see. Can you see this? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if you can see it, but beautiful. Every single time, but it's a fingerprint magnet. I mean, I clean it every 10 seconds. I start cleaning them. It's almost every 10 seconds as a figure of speech. Working on a few straps for the knife show. It will be a couple of months later, but so yeah, I'm getting in some fire steels also, so I'm gonna make a few fire steels. Working on a combat knife. I'm thinking of making a combat knife design. Well, I have made a combat knife design in plastic. See how it looks, how it feels. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. Oh, before I forget. Nah, never mind. I can't recall what I just wanna say, so never mind. Talk to you guys later. Bye.